Welcome to the Scrum Guide. This is going to be your primary go-to for all things Scrum. When it comes to taking the PSM I exam from scrum.org, this will be your main study guide. It is a relatively short document, but you need to understand it completely. You might be tested on any sentence in this document, so read it multiple times. This course is going to go through each part of the Scrum Guide, and I'll show you how to apply Scrum in practice. This should prepare you well for the PSM I exam and for becoming an effective Scrum Master at work. So I'll show you where the Scrum Guide lives. Okay, all you need to do is Google Scrum. The first hit you'll get is the scrum.org website. So we just click on that, and then you will find on the first page the Scrum Guide and the Scrum Glossary. Let's take a look at the Scrum Guide. Now you have a couple of options. The one I recommend is just reading it online, but if you want to download it as a PDF and print it out, then you would go here. Let's go to the online version. The great thing about the online version is you've got these links that take you straight to the section of the Scrum Guide that you want to see. For example, if you want to learn more about the Scrum Master, just click on the link. So that's where you can find the Scrum Guide. I'll let you have a little bit of time to take a look at it and do a bit of reading.